a roof that you may not be able to afford? Yeah, you can. One of the best ways to get a new roof is through an insurance claim or wind damage. This is an example of what a wind damaged shingle looks like. As you can see, there is a big black line going across the top of the shingle, and this is called a wind crease. So where that comes from is that the wind comes up right underneath the shingle, lifting it up and flapping that shingle. And what that does, it actually causes the granules on top of the shingle to fall off. And that is a pretty big issue. What's gonna happen over time is that the shingle is gonna flap so many times that eventually it's gonna tear off. And the issue with that is that now the nails are exposed 24 hours a day to, well, the rain. So what happens here is that the nail heads will eventually rust and literally act as a highway for water to seep into the shingles and eventually reach your roof deck, causing mold, rot, leaks, all sorts of issues. You know, the big brown stains on your ceiling. So if you see any of these issues on your roof or of course in your ceiling, then you want to call a roofing contractor to come out and assess your roof, preferably Energy Advantage. And of course, we'll come out and take care of it. Don't forget to hop onto our YouTube channel and take a look at some of our videos. We have a ton of videos on roofing, the different materials of roofing, contractors, and anything around really roofing, and of course solar. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and of course, if you would like to contact us, description box below has all the information that you need to know, or you can go to our website. Have a great week,